Four bolts, right, under there, yeah, see, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah,
Yep.
right. And then this is the battery, which is here, yeah, that one, and this one is now my spare battery, which is there, yeah. So this is the controller, see, down to a controller box. So you pull that one, see? So you got female, male, male, female. The controller is a male. It says out, yeah, in. So the out goes into here. Yeah. And then the two batteries, which are female, and they're going to, well, it depends what I want, right? So battery A, I'm going to have, this is the one that comes with it, like that. And battery B, there's that one, there's this one. So this is the battery it came with. Yeah, wrong. So what you need is this, which is a L to that, female. And you do them, you just plug them in there. Now you've got the right plugs. And this one. And that one now, which is that L. Remember? Yeah. And then there's that. XT60, big one. And now it's like trying to shove it in. It shouldn't. All the power cables went down there, down the side. Put a bit more slack so it's not yanking so much. You know what I mean? That cable tape. Right, and I've got this then though. Sticky. And I'll put that over there. So around. Nice and flat. And then seat back on. It's going to go above the seat gaff. So battery A, this is battery B, and this is battery A, right? So on that one, turn it on there. So that's one battery. Yeah. There we go. That's it. Turn it off. Right. Off. On. All that. Take the battery. Right. Off. Right. Now on. Both on. So now it should be full power. See, now you can control that one now. See the screen? Watch the screen. Nothing happened. Do you see? Nothing happens. Because it's automatically switching off the other battery, switching from the other battery. So two batteries now connected. Right, and it's, sorry, it's not me, is it? No.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's not me, I haven't got a light on. So 30 amp, because this one says, where is it? 23. It says 23. And let me show the 250ness. Well, yeah, just 23 amp. I'll tell you what you know, really. That's a 250 watt. Look at that, see. And it's the EU version, which is 250 to prove it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can feel it. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, fuck me, yeah. Definitely improve the speed. Yeah, the take up there straight away.
JDM で走るよ風がしみるステレオのビート胸の奥で響くノイズだのチューンウェールズから届く遠い国の風がこの街に溶けるネオンの海を静かにすり抜けヘロウォードの波が心を揺らす深夜の首都高影が流れる音に任せてただ前へ進む夜風に乗ってどこまでもプライズ心を包むノスターのブルー世界の果てまで響くメロディー俺を導く夜のシンフォニー東京とウェイス風がつなぐ遠い空で冒頭は揺らぐ All night long この旅は続くノスターと共に未来へクルーズ窓を開ければ夜が香る街のざわめき遠くで踊るウェルズの風と東京の夜二つの世界がビートでつながる GDM のエンジン低くうなる心の奥まで響き渡るノスタの声が夜空に溶け俺の旅路を優しく照らす首都高のカーブ光が流れ街の鼓動が胸に重なる遠い恋のチューンが心を抱いて孤独な夜も暖かくなるバックミラー越しに過去が揺れてフロントガラスには未来が見えてノスタのビートが道を描く夜の風景がゆねりに変わる雨上がりの路面光るストリートタイヤのスキル夜を切り裂くビーチ君の瞳に映る年のブルー沈むようでどこか救われてる孤独な魂が音で繋がる夜の深さに真実が光るこの瞬間だけは嘘じゃないビートが止まるまで俺らは消えない夜風に乗って